Well, Aditi, I was present yesterday at the roadshow of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and in fact, I was present at the Nandi Chowk, which is said to be the gateway of the Kashi Vishwanath temple. Now, at that particular point, which is a very small circle, and these are the lanes which lead to Kashi Vishwanath temple, there were around 10 to 15,000 people who were waiting to catch a glimpse of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. They were standing there from 1 p.m. in the afternoon until 7:30 p.m. Around 7:30 p.m. when the Prime Minister convoy passed through that particular route, they were still standing. And not just the people who were from Varanasi, but the tourists who came over here, many of them stated that they had to go back to their native places, but they did not go back given the fact they got to know that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is coming and they were waiting for him. So clearly that is the connect that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has with the people on the ground. Now BJP also knows that their star campaigner is Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and whenever we see that there's a roadshow that is being planned by the BJP, there's a huge crowd that gathers. So people usually connect with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and you see wherever we saw posters of Hamar Modi, Hamar Kashi. So that is the connect of people of Varanasi towards Prime Minister Narendra Modi. That is a political statement that has come in from Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, but in fact the reality is on ground people connect with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and that is why we saw lakhs of people waiting for Prime Minister Narendra Modi since morning. Many of the visitors who were not the party worker, they were also waiting for him, and that is the connect that the PM has with the people on the ground.
And Mohit, while we are talking about the connect of Prime Minister, let's also go across to Pragya, who has people around her, and it is 7-11 viewers. The connect of Prime Minister is visible on the ground. The people have lined up right now only to watch Prime Minister coming here. Well, Pragya, if you can talk around to people and tell me if they feel the same, that the Prime Minister's touch with the people has gained or not.
श्योर आप बाबा, आप यहाँ सुबह सुबह आए हैं, आपको क्या मूड लग रहा है वाराणसी का, और आपको लग रहा है प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी को देखने ही आप यहाँ आए पर?
जोर से बोलिए, कम आई हैव हियरिंग प्रॉब्लम. जो जोर
So
से
I'm saying that you have come here to watch, to see Prime Minister Narendra Modi. What is the mood on the ground? क्या लग रहा है आपको मूड?
हम मोदी जी से नहीं, हम पूरे भारत को तो ये देख के हर्ष महसूस कर रहे हैं कि मोदी बाबा और योगी बाबा राम लखन के रूप में आए हैं. आप उनको पहचानिए. जिस तरह आज हमारे भारत में महान महान योद्धा जाने के बाद लोग दिलों में रह जाते हैं, इसी तरह हम बोलना चाहते हैं. आज के आने वाले पीढ़ी में लोग बोलेंगे, नाना जी, दादाजी, आपने तो योगी बाबा मोदी बाबा को देखा है, वो राम लखन को देखा है. योगी मोदी नहीं बोलेंगे, वो क्या बोलेंगे, आपने तो राम लखन को देखा है जिन्होंने मंदिर बनाया. तो वो राम लखन नहीं है, वो मोदी योगी नहीं है, राम लखन है. आप अपने भाग्य को बनाइए और काशी में आइए, अयोध्या में आइए और अपने भाग्य को जगाइए. जय श्री राम.
जय श्री राम. मूड क्या लग रहा है आप लोगों को? कहाँ से आए आप लोग?
हम तो रीवा से आए.
रीवा से आए हो तो यहाँ मोदी जी को देखने आ गए?
हाँ, मोदी जी को देखने.
कैसे पता लगा?
खबरें हैं, पता चलती रहती हैं.
तो रीवा में क्या माहौल लग रहा है आपको?
रीवा में बीजेपी, सब जगह बीजेपी.
सब जगह बीजेपी. आपके पास 400 पार है?
हम जालोर से
400 से प्लस है.
कहाँ से? जालौर से. क्या माहौल है राजस्थान में?
बहुत बढ़िया है. हमारे यहाँ तो मोदी जी आएंगे.
Well, Pragya, while people are